This food is rich in a source of plant-based protein, containing approximately 35% more protein per serving than chicken, facilitating muscle growth and repair. It is a significant source of calcium, offering 30% more than dairy alternatives, which supports bone health and density. This ingredient is loaded with isoflavones, which are known to have 7 times more antioxidant properties than berries, aiding in cancer prevention. Loaded with heart-healthy fats, it has 20% less saturated fat than butter, promoting cardiovascular health.